Welcome to Design of Structure. In previous lecture, we are completing the theoretical part of the chapter. Now we are going to start example of analysis. A doubly reinforced beam. The main thing is that in exam there is no clue about the example is about analysis, design, and or it's of singly reinforced beam, doubly, or T. In that time, there are lots of confusion in our mind. But don't confuse at that time. Just do the example. When when you start the example, automatically the confusion are broke and you will go further. Let us start the example with problem. A problem is that a doubly reinforced beam of 300 by 600 mm overall is reinforcement with core number of 20 diameter bar as a compression reinforcement and 6 number of 20 diameter are as a tension reinforcement. Effective cover on both sides is 50 Grade of concrete used is M25 and Fe415 grade steel are used as both sides. We used to compute moment of resistance mu find करवाना है. From the problem, we first do our job as a drawing. First, B is equal to 300, D is equal to 600, cover D dash is equal to 50, lower cover E is equal to 50. It is not given in figure, but still we add it. Uh, Bottom reinforcement, sorry, as a compression, tensile reinforcement as in problem 6 number of 20 diameter 1 2 3 4 5 6. Similarly, 4 number of 20 1 2 3 4 20, which is called AST and ASC respectively. Nomenclature FCK 25 F5415 AST is equal to 620 diameter. We calculated AST. To find AST, we use SP60 or any mathematical terms like pi by 4 into d square. Pi by 4 into 20, we got one bar area of steel. To multiply it with 6, we get 80.85 as a area of steel of 6 number of 20 diameter. Similarly, for 4 number of 20 diameter, it is 1256 square. As a sequel of analysis, first we have to find FSC and FCC. Find FCC is equal to 0.446 FCK. We get 11.50 Newton per square. Similarly, from SP16, that table D dash by D is equal to 0.09, similar to 0.010, and we get Fe415. That's why we can take 353 Newton per square. Now we don't have any XU. That's why to find XU we use C1 plus C2 is equal to T. Now put the values in equations. 0.36 FCK B into HU plus FSC minus FCC into ASC is equal to 0.87 FY into AST. In this case we have FSC. That's why we take this one, or in some case we don't have this, ignore it and directly multiply it FSC into with ASC. Okay, let us put all the values in the above equation. we get 0.36, 25, 30, sorry 300 XU which is unknown plus FSC 353 minus FCC 11.15, TSC 0.87, F5 415, AST. The value of FCC is very low. That's why it is said that it's negligible value. To solve it, we get XU is equal to 93.0.4 mm. Now XU max from IS 456 page number 70.48D. We put the value of D 550, we get 265. XU less than XU max. So use under reinforced fraction. Now to find mu is equal to C1 plus Z1, C1 Z1 plus C2 Z2. Put the value of C1 Z1, C2 Z2 in this equation. We have this value and put the all values of it, and after solution of all this data we can get 343.03 kilonewton into meter. And these are the our simple analysis example. Let us do with another one example which is quite different and difficult from the same. The next two examples are for you to study, and in case of any query let me know. Now we are going to solve design example. We will first calculate analysis example. This is example of design. Now the problem is find area of tension and compression reinforcement required for a rectangular beam 300 into 550 mm effective for the factor moment of mu is equal to factored moment 400 kilonewton into meter. The effective cover for the tensile and compression steel are 50 and 40 respectively. Take M20 Fe415 grade. As we do in our first step, draw the cross section. We don't have AST and ASC. Tentatively put the bars. D is equal to 550 in from which D dash is equal to 40, E is equal to 50, B is equal to 300. We have mu. Mu is equal to 400 kilonewton per meter. Newton into meter. To convert into lower units, 400 into 10 raised to 6 Newton into mm. Now mu limit. We have mu limit equation from the SP60 by grading of steel. As for 5415, we have 0.138 FCKBD square. Put the value of B and D which already have on this equation, we get mu lim. From this, we can decide that mu is greater than mu limit. That's why we need to design the beam is a doubly reinforced beam. Now start our design process as we studied in previous lecture. Mu2 is equal to mu minus mu limit is equal to put the values of both, we get mu2. Now find FSC and FCC. We know that the FCC is equal to 0.446 FCK, and to find FSC we need to do D dash by D. We get 0.10 and 0.10 FSC is equal to 353 by grade of steel. Okay, now to first find ASC, we use equation of mu minus mu limit is equal to mu2 is equal to put the value of mu and mu limit in this FSC minus FCC into ASC D minus D dash. Now put the all value we have about these factors into the equation. We get ASC is equal to 852.11 mm square. Okay. In this case, FCC value is negligible. Okay. Now to find AST1, we have our equation and also find from the SP16. The equation I already told you in previous past chapter, singly reinforced beam, and also in whenever we start our syllabus, at that time we are discussing some terms of this, that time we are discussing. Okay, from that AST1 is equal to 0.96 divided by 100 into D, we get AST1 is equal to 1584. But the process from here, we have to another process. PT limit is equal to 19.82 FC curve upon F5. This is the only equation used for doubly reinforced beam to get the AST1. And from that we get PT, put the PT in this, and we get the AST like this. Now to find AST2, we also have the equation of AST2 and also study in our past lecture. FSC, this value, FCC, which value is FSC 0.87 F5, put all the values into this, we get AST2. Together AST1, sorry, AST1 plus AST2 is equal to AST. That's why we get AST is equal to 2396 mm square. To provide reinforcement, AST is equal to 2396, but we need to provide some more reinforcement like from the given AST is called AST required, and this is the AST provided. Okay, so to provide 5 number of 25 diameter given AST is equal to 2454. How we get this AST 5 number, that I will tell you sometime. There are fixed number of size of bar available in market like 8 mm, 10, 12, 60, 20, 25, 30, 32, etc. But we used to equation pi I pi by 4 d square, that we get the particular diameter bar 1 meter length area, and multiplied it into number of it, and we get the total area. Similarly, for ASC, we get ASC provided to provide 3 number of 20 diameter. To recalculate ASC, we get 942, which are more than the AST required. That's why we can say that the design is okay. This is the simple alternative but effective manner to understand the how bar are provided. AST 2396 mm square. Consider 20 mm bar. AST is equal to pi by 4 into d square. We get 490.87 mm square as a 25 mm bar. Now 25 into take do 25, sorry, 5 into 490.87, we get this value. But doing this, we can do another exercise. Number of bar is equal to 2396 divided by 490.87, we get 4.88. But there is no such thing that do 4 number of full bar and 0.88 mm half bar is available in market. That's why we need to provide 4 or 5, but the 4.5 is less than 4.85. That's why we provide 5 numbers of bar. Similarly, AST provided 5 into 490 is equal to 2454.35, which are our AST provider. Similarly, it is the exercise same doing in this. Here we are going to complete our chapter and start new chapter in next lecture.